Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Committee menta kasni khandai trek urisau kala Pynlong ya ka Youth Convention ha Shillong ha kani ka convention nawan bani shimbentaru do President ka MPYCC Meghalaya uba Vincent Pala ba Roni Viling do nong yalam kalyang persya nolor ki weipan. Kani ka convention kalong ru shibenta na ka mission jong unong yalam ka party hakari ka ba Rahul Gandhi ubla Pynlong ya ka jingya ka jan hakalang gi benta jong kari kum shibenta ban penklan ya ka party ber kumjur uban ngap ya ki jing ki bagi pat ba ki ya kendo.
We assist the youth so that the work can be run smoothly. Also, we have here our Vice President, Bakran, Babolnes. Sir, thank you for whole day attendance for this meeting. I think I will fill in my duty by doing the compliment by Sanjay Das. Sir, thank you for all hard work. I think he has been running here and there. And Mangal, thank you for all this. I'm the last speaker. I'm supposed to wind up with all the speech given by all other speakers. I think I should also express my gratitude to the artists who have performed, who have given a good songs to us.
And dreams of every young individual in this room and across the state. So I would like to talk about the Congress commitment to an unemployment-free Meghalaya, which we had focused during the course of State Assembly election, recently held State Assembly election in the month of February. So employment aspirations to the youth. The Congress Party vision of Meghalaya where every household has a job. It was unfortunate we couldn't form the government. If we were part of government, we had a lot of plans for the state, which I think in 2028 we will be in a position to do in a better way. The Congress Party is therefore unveiling a commitment, a rally for an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Together in your aspirations and our advocacy, we strive for a brighter tomorrow for this state. One of the most pressing challenges our state faces is unemployment. Today, the unemployment is very high in this part of the Northeast. I would not say it is good in any other Northeastern state, but this part also is very high. An issue that deeply affects our youth and the Congress Party too. When I was just coming, I saw some friends standing outside. So I would request if all of them can join, and instead of standing there, they can be part of this discussion out there. What we feel the present government lacks the vision. In a land gifted as Meghalaya, there are stones, steam, which tell the story of our potential. To ponder how different our narrative might have been and guiding hand of governance, fully harness one youth's capabilities, however, with the blueprint of Congress vision, we can see a future where unemployment becomes a word of the past, a mere chapter in our rich history. Employment generations within Meghalaya. The Congress Party envisions in Meghalaya where economic opportunities are not just limited to few urban areas but spread across the state, which benefits each and every youth of the state. The path to professional growth and personal fulfillment with their home state of Meghalaya. Historically, the Congress has always prioritized the needs for the poor and the common people. We believe that by addressing unemployment, we address the very root of many social and economic challenges the state has been facing.
And especially a guest from our neighboring state, from Nagaland, I hope, Nagaland, right? I was not told all a prize before we came here. Anyway, thank you, and I'm so sorry if there is any person whom I have might, miss out in honoring anyone. Anyway, our honorable ex-MLA, Madam Deborah also here, and all the members from the youth, and then all my, friends from the Garo Hills and the friends from the youth. Now, I don't know how to speak, what to speak. I was wondering what kind of speeches or the motivations that I might be able to give to our young and Congress leaders. But I would like to remind all of us that whenever we join any party or any responsibility that we take, we have to think that we are, putting a responsibility, keeping a responsibility to hold something. Do not take as a burden, but as a challenge that we might face tomorrow. This might be the first time in decades that the Congress is facing a meltdown. And it's not just a surprise, but it's a challenge that we are facing right now. So I would like to encourage the young who has recently joined. You should not think as a common individual anymore. Now you are different, you have to change. You have to take up the responsibility. Not just as a human being, that you have to differentiate yourself that you are different from the common among. Change your attitude, change your behavior, so that you can be the example to others. Now we're talking about the Congress. Now we are facing the meltdown not only in our state, but other parts of the country also. So that's a big challenge for us. So what do we do in this adversity? Now our leader, Rahul Gandhi and all the leaders from the AICC, they're showing us the way how to deal with the system, how to give love instead of hatred, how to change the division policy that the present government is making. So the reality that we have to face, not just the truth bites, but we have to change the system by giving the love, as so by our leaders.
And all the honorable PCC office bearers, Youth Congress office bearers, and I've seen maybe delegates from other states. You're welcome to this convention, and I hope we have a meaningful interaction, how to take the Congress party forward, how to take the country forward. In fact, I was asked to give a motivational speech. I think I don't need to motivate anyone. I think you Youth Congress, you young people are the motivation for us, the motivation for the country, motivation for the state. Why I say that you are the motivation? Because soon you will have to take the leadership upon your shoulders. So I see great hope in Meghalaya, great hope in Northeast, great hope in the country when young people have come forward. I'll just give you an example. There is one small country, prosperous, rich country, Singapore. I think they have a policy that they encourage the most brilliant minds to enter politics. Because politics affect all aspects of our lives. Be it development, be it anything, it affects all aspects of our lives. So I think we need to have the best people in the politics so that we can come up with policies, programs, laws that can benefit the country. Like Dr. Shruti Ranjan has just said, there is divisiveness, there is polarization, and I think I would go even to the extent of saying, I think not only polarization, there is bigotry in our country. Bigotry because one religion is pitted against another religion. For what? For a particular party to remain in power. At the cost of the people of the country, at the cost of living in peace in the country. And I think another motivation I would say is the Bharat Jodo Yatra being undertaken by our leader Rahul Gandhi.
Reforms, bank nationalization, industrialization, liberalization, आज देश को हमने पूरे विश्व में एक बड़ा डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री, एक संविधान के माध्यम से पूरे देश में, पूरे विश्व में परिचय दिया भारत को। अगर उस समय कांग्रेस पार्टी और वो लीडर सोचते कि हमें देश में जैसे ये सरकार कर रहे हैं वो करना है, तो डियर फ्रेंड्स आप सोचे कि हम आज कहाँ पे होते